insulated portable screwdriver. Sometimes doing these really small tasks using an impact driver from DeWalt is an overkill, not to mention the bit may be too big. This SnapFresh screwdriver is perfect for the task. Well, it has two buttons, up and down, goes counterclockwise and clockwise, torque adjustment, which is not really obvious, Type-C charging, and these bits are insulated, comes with the carrying box. Six bits included, and a Type-C charging cable. You can use your thumb to control the action or use your index finger. It is worth mentioning that if you don't use the motorized action, you can totally use it as a traditional screwdriver. Just want to put its torque setting in perspective without a pilot hole. It's really hard to get through this wood, if not impossible. With the correct size pilot hole drilled, you may be able to do it and finish it off by hand. And back it off is also possible. And we are using the highest torque setting, 6. Thanks for watching.